Okay, so the problem we had was from quiz number 1, chapter 9.4, and the problem was number 4. So the problem is use a table to graph the parametric equation by hand. Fill out the table rounding to 1 decimal place. Be sure to keep track of the orientation. And x equals the square root of t, and y equals 1 minus t. And x has to be greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 4.
Okay, so first you gotta fill out your table. And your t values are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you gotta find out what x equals and use the equation x equals the square root of t. So the square root of 0 is 0. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 2 is 1.4. Square root of 3 is 1.7. And the square root of 4 is 2. Then you gotta find your y values and you use the equation y equals 1 minus t. So 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. And so now you have your x and y values and you graph them on some graph paper. Okay. So
Here's a graph.
So your first point is 0, 1, which is right here. And then 1, 0. Then 1.4 to the negative 1, 1.7 to the negative 2, and then 2 to the negative 3. You connect your dots, and make sure to draw the arrows to show your orientation, and to circle your first point.
And then you're done.
You're done.